Hello, class. This is Dr. Rossler providing a reading app for Genesis, which we covered largely before Thanksgiving break, and then we finished up right after Thanksgiving break. So this might be something that you want to write about for Exam 5, so I'm just giving some highlights of it. So it's a good text to work with Exam 5 because Genesis is such an overdone text in most Westerners or Americans' imagination, whether through faith institutions or educational institutions or even entertainment institutions, which have delivered a story over and over again. So it's a hard nut to crack. So it's a good text to explore and use as an experiment to see indeed if general education and the IH course can be a generative program, right? So that's what you're trying to sort of look at. Excuse me. So Genesis, just a reminder about Genesis, right? So this is in D27, just going over some of the notes I posted. So can we read the monotheistic Bible as a literary philosophical text alongside and perhaps beyond faith, spirituality, and institutional religion? That was the sort of the basic question. Can we unforeclose the text? So again, the text is foreclosed, right? It's closed in front of us because we know it so well. It's been pushed on us in so many different ways. We've read it or heard it, smelled it, sniffed it, etc. So it's the idea is that it's foreclosed, that we can't do anything with it, right? But can we unforeclose it? Can we generate new ways of looking at it, or any way of looking at it, by using different approaches, literary approaches, philosophical approaches, theatrical approaches, some of which we did in class, okay? So we looked at the Abraham story, right? Abraham's story is the real birth of monotheism beyond the primordial stories, Genesis 1 to 10. So the Abraham story was what we concentrated on. So faith as a struggle, okay, is the operative word in the Abraham story, as well as the Isaac and Jacob stories, right? Faith as struggle, the struggle for faith, the struggle to get to faith, right? Emphasis on struggle, process, not faith as an answer, but faith as a question.